So my movie is about a little boy struggling with violence, and he's gonna become friends with a washing machine. That's why we got this title about.
It's so poetic. Did you shoot it in France?
We shot it in Paris, yeah, a few years ago.
Oh, beautiful. So you also are a cinematographer.
I'm also a cinematographer, yeah. Yeah. I live in New York since a year and a half, and I work mostly as a cinematographer here. But this was my first short film as a director.
As a director, it is difficult to not direct your DP?
Actually, it was great because I relied a lot on my DP. I trusted him a lot, so I was very focused on my actors and mise en scène and everything else that a director is supposed to take care of. Also, I work a lot in pre-production, so everything was prepared. So the shot, I knew exactly what I wanted. That's very close to my vision.
Yes. Oh, congratulations.
Thank you
You should
very
be
much.
very proud. Beautiful. It's good to have you. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Bye. Bye.